Hey viewers, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a topic close to everyone's heart. Well, maybe not literally, but close to your legs and feet. We're talking about circulation, that magical process that keeps your toes tingling and your calves cramp-free. But what happens when circulation slows down? Tingling turns to numbness, and those dance moves you were busting out at the wedding suddenly look more like a zombie shuffle. Fear not, because we have some secret weapons, essential vitamins, to get your circulation pumping like a Bollywood drumline. The villain, poor circulation. It can strike anyone, anywhere, leaving you with coldness, numbness, tingling, fatigue, even leg cramps. Don't fret, folks. We have a team of superhero vitamins ready to fight the villain of sluggish circulation. The superheroes, essential vitamins. First up, vitamin C. This powerful antioxidant helps strengthen blood vessels and improve blood flow. It can be found in citrus fruits like oranges and lemons, as well as bell peppers and strawberries. Next, vitamin E. This vitamin improves circulation by preventing blood clots and promoting healthy blood vessels. You can get vitamin E from nuts, seeds, and leafy greens like spinach. Moving on to vitamin K. This vitamin is essential for blood clotting and can be found in leafy green vegetables like kale and broccoli. Don't forget about vitamin D. This vitamin helps regulate calcium levels in the body, which is important for maintaining strong and healthy bones. You can get vitamin D from fortified dairy products and sunlight. Vitamin B3, also known as niacin, is another important vitamin for circulation. It helps dilate blood vessels and improve blood flow. You can find vitamin B3 in foods like chicken, tuna, and mushrooms. Vitamin B6 is crucial for maintaining healthy blood vessels and nerve function. You can get vitamin B6 from foods like bananas, chickpeas, and potatoes. Last but not least, vitamin B12. This vitamin is essential for nerve health and red blood cell production, which is crucial for circulation. You can find vitamin B12 in animal products like meat, fish, and dairy. By incorporating these essential vitamins into your diet, you can boost your leg and foot circulation naturally. Say goodbye to sluggishness and hello to stronger, healthier legs and feet. And here's a secret tip for you. Try incorporating a daily walk or some light exercise into your routine to further improve circulation. Your legs and feet will thank you. Age-wise recommendations now. Listen up. As we get older, our circulation naturally slows down. So, here's a quick age-wise tip. For young adults, 18 to 30 years, focus on a healthy diet rich in these vitamins and regular exercise. For middle-aged adults, 30 to 50 years, consider including these vitamins in your diet or consult the doctor about supplements if needed. For older adults, 50-plus years, maintain a healthy lifestyle and consult your doctor about personalized recommendations for vitamins or supplements. But wait, there's more. Here's your secret weapon, a little foot massage. Stimulating those pressure points can work wonders for circulation. Remember, viewers, a healthy lifestyle and a balanced diet are your best weapons against poor circulation. So, keep moving, eat those veggies, and subscribe for more health hacks. This information is for educational purposes only and should not be substituted for medical advice. Always consult with a doctor before starting any new supplements or making significant lifestyle changes.